Hello there, my name is Justin Hejny, and this is my personal goals video presentation for Hays State. A little bit about me. I grew up in Hoisington, Kansas, Fighting Cardinals. Current resident of Hays, Kansas. I've been here for the past 8 years. This is my 11th year in teaching. I started out in Dodge City, teaching there and coaching. I coach football, boys and girls wrestling, and track. I'm the head coach of all those sports at our middle school. My hobbies include golf, fishing, hunting, gardening, exercise. Big sports fan, big Chiefs and Royals fan, although it's hard to be a Royals fan in their current situation. Big Sterling College fan, that's where I played my college football at, and then K-State football. My pets, my golden new boyer, he makes a lot of appearances in my video here. He's usually the highlight of the show. My education and teaching background, I got my bachelor's again from Sterling College in Human Health and Performance. I'm currently working on my master's degree for building leadership at Fort Hays. Like I said, I was in Dodge City for a couple years, and then this is my going into my 9th year teaching middle school at Hays. I'm a driver's ed teacher for the past 7 years. That's given me some good life experiences and taught me patience, and I don't know if it's extended my life at all, but it's definitely taught me some good things just going through. My personal goals for the next 1 to 5 years, try to hopefully start a family, find somebody to do that with, become debt-free, which that should be very accomplishable in the next few years. 6 to 10 years, raise and grow a family. I would like to travel. I haven't never been to Europe, Australia, the U.S. national parks. I've been to a few, but I still haven't been to like Yellowstone or up north in the South Dakotas, in the Badlands, that area. I'd like to go out there. I would definitely like to go out to California, to Yosemite. That would be very cool to be out there. Every day goal is just procrastinate less. I know that's a struggle for a lot of people, and I try to stay on top of things, but I always feel like I can get better at that. Just balance work and life. I feel like that's always a struggle. You gotta always put family first, put your beliefs and everything first, and then work. You gotta make priorities and get your job done at the same time. Show gratitude and empathy. That's something I really going to Sterling College. Our big motto is servant leadership, and just helping people out and being empathetic and understanding that everybody's going through different struggles and finding different things in life to help them is a big part of my life. Professional goals for the next 1 to 5 years, hopefully completing my master's this fall. That should be good. Continue teaching and coaching. I really don't have a plan to get into administration right away. I really enjoy teaching and coaching currently, but in the next 6 to 10 years, I definitely could see myself moving towards the side of principal, assistant principal, athletic director, somewhere along those lines. Beyond 10 years, just help and grow, develop my schools. I wouldn't mind, honestly, possibly getting to teach at the college level. That's something that I thought about more and more, and I think that's something I may pursue down the road. Everyday goals, just build relationships, learn something new every day, and then practice that compassion and empathy that I've mentioned earlier. Why Fort Hays State? Been in Hays for the last 10 years. The Hays USD 49 and Fort Hays State have what they call a team program. So they're basically paying for a large portion of my master's. So hats off to them. Thank you for that. My colleagues that have been through the administrative program at Fort Hays have had good things to say. It's right here at home. I couldn't find a better spot to do it, and it was definitely time to stop dragging my feet. There was definitely some nervous tension after being out of school for the last 10 plus years of going back, and it was time to get after it. Initials, experiences of the program. I love that all the materials provided there. You don't have to buy books. There's no extra costs that go beyond, just your enrollment and tuition. That's been really nice. I like that the course is all laid out in the same consistent pattern with modules. There's some that have 12 modules, some that have 10, and just following that pattern and It just makes it easy from class to class. And the adjunct professors have been great. They all seem to be on top of things. They all have their little different niches that you got to figure out, but that's just life in general and working through things with people. My overall thoughts of the program, it's very well organized, very user-friendly. I was honestly a little overwhelmed with the practicum stuff that was just all put in my folder right away, and I just kind of looked at that. I was like, I got a little nervous and kind of did one of those, I'm not going to look at that for a little while. I don't want to get stressed out. But now that I've started digging down into it and looking at everything and trying to figure everything out, I think it'll go smoothly. So this is me, and glad to meet anybody that hasn't met before, and look forward to finishing up the program and getting through this. Thanks.